You ever wondered how to determine if you made the best decision by claiming Social Security early at 62? Today, I'll walk through how to determine the break even point for Social Security benefits. This will help you decide whether claiming benefits early at the age 62 or waiting until your full retirement age of 67 is more advantageous, i.e., put more money in your pockets. If you have already claimed early for Social Security, stay locked into this video as well. You are probably already close to your break even point or past it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more content like this. And welcome back for those who've already subscribed to Retirement Lifestyle TV. Let's walk through an example using Rebecca's benefit amount with clear numbers and calculation. While you can obtain your projected monthly amounts from your Social Security statement at ssa.gov, stay locked in here. We'll use Rebecca's projected monthly amount shown here. At 62, she is projected to receive $750 a month. At 63, she is projected to receive $800. At 64, 856. At 65, 933. At 66, 1,000. At 67, her full retirement age, $1,080. At 68, 1,160. At 69, 1,240. And at 70, she's projected to receive $1,320 monthly. Here's the situation. Both of Rebecca's parents passed away in their mid to late 60s. She has really made her mind up to take Social Security early, although there's a 30% reduction. She is really concerned about the inadequate funding of the Social Security Trust Fund and nervous about the full retirement age, probably moving from 67 to 69. If she claims Social Security at the age of 62, she will receive $750 per month. If she waits until her full retirement age, 67, she will receive $1,080 per month. Her decision depends on her understanding of when the total benefits from waiting until 67 will surpass the total benefits for claiming early at 62. This is called the break-even point. Step 1, understanding the time frame. By claiming at 62, she will start receiving benefits 5 years early. So that's important to understand. And that is really the big positive for claiming early. By waiting until 67, her monthly benefits will be higher, but she will have missed out on those same 5 years of payments. Calculating the total benefits. To find the break even point, we need to compare the cumulative benefits over time, claiming at 62. As shown here, the monthly benefit of $750, claiming early at 62, the annual benefit of $750 times 12 is $9,000. Over 5 years, from 62 to 67, 9,000 times 5 is $45,000. By age 67, Rebecca would have already collected $45,000. Now let's find the annual benefits if Rebecca claimed at her full retirement age of 67. Her monthly benefits would be $1,080. Her annual benefits would be $1,080 times 12, which is $12,960 as shown here. Step 3, finding out the break-even point. Now, let's figure out when the total benefits from waiting until you're 67 surpasses the total benefit from claiming early at 62 for Rebecca. The key is the difference between the annual benefits. The $12,960, which is the annual benefit at 67, and the $9,000, which is the annual benefits at claiming early at 62, The difference there is $3,960 per year if Rebecca waits. To catch up to the $45,000 Rebecca have already received by claiming early, divide that number by the annual difference. As shown here, this means that the break-even point is about 11 years and 5 months after the age 67 and around the age of 78 years old and a half. That is the break-even point for Rebecca. Step 4, let's interpret Rebecca's result. If Rebecca lived past 78 years old and a half, waiting until 67 for retirement age to claim Social Security benefits will result in a higher cumulative payment, meaning more money in the long run. If Rebecca expects to live less than 78 years old and a half, claiming at 62 early retirement and taking the reduction may be a better option for Rebecca. Here's the thing, nobody knows their life expectancy, so it's really up to the individual based on their health, finances, and individual circumstances. Determining the break even point will help Rebecca make an informed decision about when to claim Social Security benefits. Her health, her life expectancy, marital status, and financial needs are key factors to consider. So, if she lived beyond the age of 78 and a half, she will receive more total benefits by waiting until her full retirement age of 67 to claim Social Security. If she does not expect to live that long, claiming earlier might make more sense for Rebecca. To find your break even point, just replace Rebecca's $750 monthly benefits with yours at 62 and her $1,080 at 67 years old. Then revisit the simple steps in this video to find your own break even point. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's planning their retirement. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for visiting, and I'll see you next time.